Friends, welcome to GoOnlineTrainings.com. So today, even though you don't know what is a Power BI, you don't know what is a skill server, you don't know anything in IT, right? You're very fresher. But if I teach you for 10 minutes, if I teach you for 10 minutes how to create a Power BI report, anyone can prepare Power BI. The basic things you know, the basic things you should know, that's it. If you know that, any non-IT guy also can create a beautiful Power BI reports. What is the purpose of BI? BI means understanding your raw data into the meaningful information. For example, I have a lot of data. What is the data the company has given me? The other day I have shared you this data. The company called Adventure Works, this company is manufacturing a lot of cycles and bikes, right? So they have given me the data. Customer has to give the data. So you cannot prepare the data by going to the customer's end. So they have to give the data. Then only we can prepare a report. If they don't give the data, I cannot do anything. So data, has to be supplied by the customer. Remember this point. So now customer key, customer name, lot of data I have. So already we discussed about this data. Customers, there are 18,000 customers, 18,000 plus customers are available. They have a lot of columns. Where is the customer coming from which region is coming from, and what is the yearly income, email address, gender, marital status, married, single, lot of data. Products data, what is the product ID, product name, color of the product, categories. I have discussed these categories of this. So accessories, bikes, clothing, components. So under bikes category, what are the subcategory? They have mountain bikes, road bikes, touring bikes. So you can remove the filter, and this is the data. So how many rows I have in the products table? I have around 398 products are available. So own company manufacturing, and this company is sales and marketing, everything this company itself doing on their own. There is no third party. Now I have 60,399 rows in the where in the a sales data. So product key, which is the product, who's the customer, when is the order came, due date of the payment or shipping. Shipping means courier date, and currency, in which currency they paid, lot of data. So I don't understand what is this data, what is this data, because I'm a technical guy. We don't understand business data because I'm not a coming from the business. I'm a technical guy, right? I don't understand what is the meaning of this column, what is the meaning of this column. Order quantity, I know they have ordered one bike or something like that, I can understand. But many columns I don't understand. What is extended amount means, you may not be able to understand, right? So it is not your data, so don't worry about it. So as of now, but slowly when you join the company, they will tell you extended amount means this, tax amount means this, freight amount means courier charges, profit means this is the amount, what is the total product cost, what is the sales amount, like that they will be explaining about this. If you wanted to know, you can ask the customer. Otherwise, so they will give you data, they will ask you, they wanted to understand how last 5 years. So the data starting from which year to which year, let us understand. It is starting from 2005, 6, 7, 8. Last 4 years data I have it, and each year again Jan, February data. So it is January to July only we have. So in this, first month, July to December, then complete January to December. So like that, I have some data. Now, all the data they will give you, they'll ask you which brand is doing good, which category is doing good, and which year is doing good, which month is doing good, which color bikes are doing so great, which region customers are buying so much of a products, and where the bikes are getting sold, and which category is in more demand. So which year is in more demand, how the sales growth year on year, right? So how the sales growth month on month, how the each category is doing, how each subcategory is doing, like that they will be able to ask you thousands of questions. Because if you open this file, you cannot tell easily which brand is doing good or which year is doing good. Can you tell me by seeing this number which year is doing good, which brand is doing good? It is impossible. So this is a raw data detailed data. This data is 8000 KB data, very limited data. I can take this data, these files also have given. So first you need to open Power BI. So, right? So click on search for Power BI desktop. So you will be able to just go and you will be able to connect like this. Now you know how to connect. Already I told you Power BI has three components: Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power View. You need to close this window. Now the first one, go to transform data. So this is what is called Power Query. So simply you go click on this. So I told you, you will be able to get one more window. You can just minimize the window. You can see there are two windows. One is called the Power BI desktop window. This is first window. After going here, and you will be able to get the second window. This is what is called second window. Second window where you are going to be using Power Query, new source, from where you will be able to get the source and transform the data, then load the data. Now how to transform the data? First you need to go and get the data. New source, Excel source you have. Let me make the window size bigger. Power Query. So go Excel, SQL Server, Analysis, Text File, Web, OData, Blank Query, and more. When you click on more, you will be able to see lot of sources from where you can get the data. Now, not only one thing, you can have a file, databases. So how many databases? All these databases you can connect. Power Platform, Azure Platform. Azure means a cloud. What is a cloud? We will discuss later. Online services. Okay. Then you have other. So lot of things are available. So all means these many things are available. When you click on all, so see Excel, JSON, folder, PDF, ParkQuest. Now you see Microsoft Azure. All of them I never used it. OLEDB, Actiana, Solver. I don't know all these things. I never used it. So lot of things from where you will be able to get the data. You will be able to load the data. Zoho, then Vana, then Azure Time Series, 10 Force, then Team Desk. Normally we don't get all of them in the real time. You will be able to simply get the data from Oracle or SQL Server or Teradata, or people will give you a lot of data from Excel, or they may give you flat file, means text file data, CSV file data. What is a CSV file? You have to open Notepad. Now you will be able to get the data like this: employee ID, comma, employee name, comma, employee salary, like that. Employee 1, Ram, right? So like that, you will be able to get some data. Employee number 2, Sita, 2000, like that. It is a comma separated value. This is a text file. You can save this file like this. So you can say employees text file. You can store. So you can use this file. This is what is called. So this file is called flat file, or it is also called as a notepad. It is also called as a text file, right? It is also called as a comma separated values, CSV files. Clear? So all files, flat files means what? Notepad, notepad text file, CSV, comma separated values file. So all these are text files only. Remember, sometimes you will be able to get large amount of data from the companies. So they will be able to give you text files or CSV files. So that is what is this. Now I'm planning to use now what? Excel. So how do I come here? So first of all, you need to click on transform data. Click on this. You will get one more window. Click on new source. Click on Excel workbook. So now where is your data? You have stored your data in the D drive or C drive somewhere. Where is my data have stored? Go to PBI source data. Now I will go. I am able to use Adventure Works retail data. Now click on open. So you're able to connect the data to the Power BI. So now you have a lot of sheets. Sheet number 1, customer data, I need it. Products data, I need it. Sales data, I need it. I don't need dim date data. Simply click on OK. All the data you are now loading. So all the data it is now loading. So you have what data? You have customer data, right? You have a products data. Then you have a sales data. Three tables of data got loaded. Have you seen this? Now this is what you got to understand. Now you will be able to see the data, all the data now loaded. Now you transform the data. So whatever you wanted to do, now you will be able to do all the transformations and everything, right? So everything you will be able to do, there is no problem here. So I have the customer data, products data, sales. So I have to go to customer data, do some changes. Transformation means cleaning, do some changes. So I simply go to first name, and what I do some modifications. So I have loaded the data. So what I should do, I have to go transform. I'm simply going format. Now I say make everything uppercase. I'm done some modification. So this is what is called transformation. Do some changes. So you go and go to again where transform and go to format, make everything uppercase. First name, middle name, and last name. I wanted to make everything uppercase. I did not do any other thing. Only first name, middle name, last name. I had made some changes. Everything I have used as it is. There is no change. In the products, I did not do any changes. But if you need some changes I'm doing. Only one change I can do as of now is go to transform data, format, uppercase, lowercase, whatever it is. I made some uppercase, nothing else. So in the sales, I don't want to do anything. I have all the data now. So this is the data, I got it. Now you go to home, you transform, and you have done some modifications. So in this one modification, one or two modifications in this one modification, that is a transformation. Now I did not do any changes here. That's it. Now I am go to home. Now I wanted to load the data. What I have done now? I have extracted the data. Now afterward, transformation means what? I have done some changes in uppercase. Now what I should do? I have to load the data. So all the data will be loaded to where? To the Power Pivot. Power Pivot is going to load the data where? Into the RAM of my computer. Right? When you load the data, data will go to Power Pivot. Power Pivot will be creating a database called columnar database. All this data will be in this RAM. So this database is called columnar database. Now all of them will happen when you say close and apply. This is what is called loading. So when you say loading means which is the button? Close and apply. This window will be closed. All the data will be applied. Apply means all the transformation it is going to be applying, and loading, by closing this window, it is loading the data into the Power Pivot. Let me click on close and apply. This window will get closed now. This window is getting closed. Now applying all the changes. Now loading the data where? Into the Power BI, Power Pivot. Power Pivot means I told you it is going to be loading all the data into the RAM. Now all the data now loading into the RAM. RAM of which computer? My computer. Why my computer? Because I have installed Power BI in my computer. So all the data now it is came. Now how to see the data? You have to click on this. Now you need to click on, there is a data. You can see the data. So all the customers data got loaded. Now from where is data? Initially the data is coming from Excel. All the data now loaded to where, Nana? RAM. Right? Now you understand this table data is coming from RAM only. It is not coming from Excel. Excel data already loaded to the RAM. Now whatever you are seeing here, all the data coming from where? RAM only. Clear? So now you see the products data. So how many rows got loaded? 18,000 data got loaded now into the RAM. Right? Now we need to click on this. Now you need to, if you click on this, nothing will be there. You need to click on this. You will see the data. Now 397 rows are there in the products table. Right? Now in the sales table, you will be able to see, click on the sales. Now if you are here, and if you are here, you cannot see any data. You need to go click on the data. Now in this, you know there are some 60,398 rows are available. Now all the data is loaded. Now in this window, these two are called a power pivot. As I told you, this is the two places called power pivot. So power pivot is going to be storing the data into the RAM. This is step number one. Okay, it is going to be creating a database storing. Then afterwards, so in this you do the data modeling. So power pivot is going to be doing three. One is called storing data. Second one is a data modeling. What is the data modeling? We'll understand later. Here you will see the data, and in this you create a DAX queries and everything. You see the data also, and a third thing you can also do the DAX queries. Power pivot is doing three things: storing the data into the RAM and compressing the data, creating a columnar database, compressing the data. All of them can be done in the RAM by power pivot. The next one, you can also do the data modeling. After that, you can see the data and you can create a DAX queries. DAX means data analytical queries. What is the purpose? To create some mathematical calculations. We are going to be using a DAX. We will understand later. So don't worry about what is a DAX, what is a data modeling. As of now, you don't worry about what is a data modeling. Data modeling means connections. One table to one table. It will create some links and everything. You don't understand all these things. So don't worry about this window. You just see the data and you go and click on report. Now there are three windows. One is called a model view, model window. The second one is called a data window. The third one is called a report window. Now, if you wanted to see the data, click on this. Now you click on this. Now you wanted to see this data, click on this. Now you need to click on this, or if you don't click on also, already you have clicked on, right? You will be able to see the data. So all the data you can see. Data modeling, you forget this. So visualization, you go and create a reports. Model view, data view, then this is what is called report view. Now this is what is called canvas. Okay, if you wanted to create a report, where you need to go, you have to click on this. Already you have got data. Now this is what is called canvas. So you need to click on this first. Step number one is this. Now we need to go to canvas. Now in this you need to add visualizations. Where are the visualizations? Visualizations are here. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 6, 36 visualization. But as I told you, you are having a totally 200 plus visualizations. Out of 200, these visualizations are heavily used. Clear? But sir, where are the remaining means? You need to click on a dot, dot, dot. So all the remaining things are hidden behind this dot, dot, dot. So totally Power BI has more visualization when you compare with the Tableau BI or SAS BI or any other BI software. You think Tableau BI is good. So Tableau BI does not have these many visualizations. Am I clear? So Power BI has a 200 plus visualizations, but I cannot see 200, sir. I can see only 36 means remaining things are here. I can show you all of them. So don't worry about it. So you can just simply click on this. All these are available in the online. Get more visuals. So you will be able to connect online. So get all these visuals. So you have change over time visual, comparison visual, correlation, distribution, filters, the flow, KPI, this one, that one. Lot of visualizations are available. All of them you can download and you can use them for free in Power BI. So all these are hidden here. You will not be able to, get this because you need one user access so that you can download the, videos, these visualizations. So as of now, let me use this. Now, what is it I wanted to use? I wanted to know what is the sales. If I go, there is a sales amount here. So I wanted to know what is the total sales or what is the total tax amount or what is the total profit or what is the total order quantity. Like that, I wanted to know what is the total quantity, what is this and what is it. So I wanted to prepare one, get one beautiful visualization. I go, I will page number one. So I am going to go here. There is a card visualization. So a lot of visualization, whatever you need, you click on this first. When you click on, you will be able to get, and you can adjust. So whatever you would like to adjust, now I can adjust. What is the column you would like to drag and drop? Sales amount I wanted to drag and drop. That's it. That complete total sales is 29.36 million. Okay, M means million. I have to get the border. So click on this. Now, this is what is called formatting. So, you need to select this. Now, click on the formatting. This is what is called visualization. This is what is called formatting. You need to click on this and do some changes. Say, I wanted to click on this, click on this, click on this. I go to general. I wanted to go to effects. Now I say visual border and shadow. I'm going to get one border and light shadow. You can get it. So that is what is the small thing I can do it. Now again, get one more card visualization. Go click on this. Now adjust. Keep on this. Now neatly you adjust. Now in this, I wanted to show the what is the total profit. Now again, click on this, click on this, go to general, go to effects. Now simply come down, visual border, visual shadow, small shadow, you will be able to get it. Now let me minimize this window. I wanted to get one more and simply you have it. Okay. Now in this, I wanted to show you what is the tax amount so far we paid. Clear? Again, click on this, go to general, go to effects. Now when you come down, when you scroll down, visual border and shadow. That's it. So I'm able to get all these things. Now, lot of other things also you can modify. I can show later. But if you wanted to show, when you click on this, if you wanted to show something, you wanted to modify something. For example, I don't like in million. So you simply click on this, click on the format. Now you have a general one property I had seen. You go to visual. So you go to visual. Some values are available. I can modify the value. So when I go to value, these are the values. Display units are auto. I wanted to show no display units. So like that, a big number it can show you. This is total sales, right? Or I can have them in the millions. So this is by default property. Billions, it can show you like this. It can show you in trillions, or it can show you in thousands. So whatever you wanted to have, you can have by default, which is auto. Now auto means it is by default million. You can change it to lakhs, rupees, whatever you wanted to do it. All of them we can discuss later. If you wanted to see in Indian currency, it is a lakhs, right? So 1 million is equivalent to 10 lakhs. So like that, you can change everything into lakhs, Indian rupees, Indian currency, or whatever be the decimal system that you're following, you can convert all of them. As of now, this tool is coming from where? From America, right? So Indians, it is not coming from India, so it is using millions is the automatic decimal system. So like that I can create. Now I wanted to know how the year-wise sales. I wanted to drag and drop one line chart. Now I wanted to understand how the year-on-year growth. I wanted to go to order a date. When you open this, there is a year number, year-wise. How is the sales? I wanted to know drag and drop sales amount. Now you tell me you're able to go here. You click on this. You go to general. You go to effects. Now border you give, shadow you give. Now you have to get the numbers. So again, you have to go click on this. Now go to visual. There is a option called data label. So don't worry about whatever I'm doing. Just enjoy. So all these things we'll discuss later. All this visualization discuss later. So don't worry. Now you tell me, year by year, how is the growth? Now we can understand 2005 to 2006, 3.3 to 6.5, almost doubled. Now from 6.5 million to 9.8, it is showing me at least 50% growth. Now 2007 to 2008, no growth. It is completely no growth. It is in the same value. Clear? So if somebody tells you how the growth, now by seeing the data, can you tell me and which year the sales is doing good, which year the sales is bad? by seeing the order date data. Can you tell me which year is good, which year is bad, and how the growth and everything one visualization can tell you. So year on year it is growing, it is got stagnated. There is no, there is no sales. It did not come down. It is did not go up. So it is a doubled like that. A single visualization can show you this kind of a data into meaningful information. Now tell me, any BCom guy, any BA guy, any 10th class guy also can create this report, right? Now, the 10 minutes recording, how to connect the data, how to drag and drop this. Now, if you repeat this for 10 times, you know this class, right? So all these things, when to use this, when to use this, everything we'll discuss in the later. And what are the options we have, everything we'll discuss. Don't worry about all these things. So whatever you remember, you can remember. So whatever you cannot remember, don't worry about it. All of them you will be able to understand. Now I wanted to know which region is doing good. I wanted to take some visualization, stacked bar chart. Now I wanted to simply click on this. Some chart, you don't know what is the chart. So you wanted to know region. So I wanted to go to customer table. So there is a region column. Drag and drop this column. Region. Okay. Region wise sales amount. Where is the sales amount? You have to go to sales table. Open this. Now drag and drop. You can just collapse it. When you come down, you will be able to get the sales amount. Now you see which region is doing good. South region is doing good. Next east, next west, next north. Now, without seeing anything, without struggling anything, you will be able to get the data. I need the numbers. To get the numbers and borders, you need to click on this. Go here. Now go to general, go to effects. Now you make it on, right? Again, you need the what is the total sales you would like to show, right? So what is the sales you wanted to know? If you wanted to know what is the total sales, so you have to again, I'm doing some steps. Don't worry about all of them. I'm simply going here again. And below you will be able to see data labels. Make it on nothing. So South 11.1 million sales million. 1 million is equivalent to 10 lakhs. Almost 11 lakhs sales it is. 10.6, right? 10 lakhs 60,000 sales east. And west 6.8 million, right? So 60 lakhs, right? Like that. So it is 11 lakhs means 11 into 10 lakhs, almost 1 crore 10 lakhs sales. Sorry, 1 crore 10 lakhs sales. It is 1 crore, 6 lakhs sales. 10 million means it is 6.8 means 68 lakhs. 1 million is equivalent to 10 lakhs. Okay, so 6.8 into 10 means it is 68 lakhs sales Indian currency. So north is this. If you wanted to convert anything into Indian currency, it is just matter of a small click button. So everything I'll show you later. You can modify. Lot of things can modify it. So very very easy. If you wanted to modify, I will show you how to modify. Simply go to sales amount. You need to click on the sales amount, right? So if I click on the sales amount, it is showing which format you would like to have. I wanted to have this in the Indian currency. That's it. Only one change. You go, lot of currencies are available. Now you are modifying this data has to be shown in Bodo, India or Hindi. This kind of a thing I need. When you come down, you will be able to get all the symbols of India. So or Africa, English India. I wanted to choose this. That's it. So as soon as you modify, you go up, you will be able to see the currency symbol. Still it is in millions, but still I wanted to convert into rupees or lakhs means you need to write some other code that we can do it later. So at least some modification I wanted to do means we can do it. Again, you can just go. So not here. You have to go to profit. Now you need to click on this. Now you choose English India. So this will be a symbol will be added. Now this millions and everything also you can later. So where is the tax amount? Tax amount means you need to come to the tax amount here. Now you go, you modify this English like that. Whatever you wanted to have it, everywhere you will be able to get the rupee or Indian currency symbol is there like that. So in which region the sales is good or which category is doing good, I wanted to understand one more chart. Sorry, I wanted to get one more chart. In this which category, where is the category? Category is category name is available here. Category wise sales amount, where is the sales amount? Sales amount is available here. Now you understand which category is doing good. Now you see which category is doing good. So only bikes category is doing good. Now I wanted to go here, click on this, go to general, go to effects. Now give the visual border. Now go to visual, click on data labels on. That's it. You see which level. So bikes is 28 million. So most of the time this is because total sales is 29 million. So 28 million sales only bikes. Remaining accessories and clothing, very very limited sales. Clear? Total sales is 29 million. Out of that, 99% of the sales I want to show you in the different visualization. I would like to take the pie chart. In the pie chart, where is the pie chart? Because if you don't have the space here, if you don't have the space here, what you can do? You can go to page number 2. Page number 1, you have completed. Go to page number 2. You will be able to do lot of things in the page number 2 as well. So I don't want to add this visualization here. Let me delete it. I wanted to have this visualization here. I need to adjust in this, or I can take this visualization to the second page, whatever you would like to have it. Okay, so this is page number 1, page number 2. Now page number 2 also I wanted to show some more. I would like to have some card visualization. In that I wanted to see, so what all we had shown here, sales amount, profit to tax amount. In that we will show you what is the freight amount. Freight means courier charges, because whenever you send any product to the customer, you need to pay the courier charges, right? So these are the courier charges they have, the company is paid. So these are the courier charges, visual border and everything. Now it is in K's only, not in millions. Now I wanted to have, let me take one more chart. I can have one more chart like that, or I can have one more chart like this. However you wanted to have it. In this, I wanted to have a category wise data, or sorry, I would like to remove this. I wanted to have a pie chart here. In the pie chart, I wanted to understand how the category wise sales. I wanted to show category wise sales. You see, 28.96% is only bikes category, and accessories is small, and this one is small. And you can also go and click and general, go to effects, give some border. And one more thing I wanted to have, these names are available, right? So these names are here, but I wanted to have the name on top of this. I wanted to have this name on top of this. I want to have this name on top of this. I don't want to have it here. So you need to do some settings. Clear? So what I do, I need to click on this, go here. I am doing some changes. Legend, I am just moving this. Now this is gone. Now I do some settings. Don't worry about what I'm doing. All of them you will be learning slowly, one by step by step, step by step. You will be there with me 3 months. Everything you will be understanding one by one. So I'm simply going and I'm just giving something here. So don't worry about all these things. I'm able to get bikes and what is the sales, what is the percentages also, right? So lot of modifications you will be able to do it here, and visualizations are here. Formatting is here. So whatever you would like to do, you will be able to keep on growing and keep on changing and modifying. Like that, you will be able to see which year is doing good, which month is doing good, which brand is doing it, which region is doing good, or which gender is doing good. Male gender is doing good, female gender is doing good. That you wanted to understand. Which customers are more? Female customers are doing good business for you, or male customers doing good business for you. You can take some visualization. I take some visualization. In that, I wanted to simply go and I wanted to drag and drop gender wise sales. So drag and drop the gender. Now sales amount you drag and drop it. Now you go, you will be able to get the border. So I have the border I have copy and paste it here. There is a technique. You go, click on format painter, all the format settings it is going to be copying, and pasting it here, automatically you got the border. So this is very simple. You have a border, go, you copy the border. Format painter means copying the format, border and everything, you simply paste it. Now you go, you click on this data labels means you will be able to get. So you can understand male and female almost all the equal sales, I think equal 15 million, 15 million. So it is 1.48, it is 1.45. Let me show you the data values in the numbers so that you can see none. So you can see the numbers clearly. So it is 1.48, it is 1.45, little lesser. Okay. If you change this to like this, you can also modify, this will get changed. Now you can see some kind of a settings over there. So it is 50, it is a 49. So what is 49? So this color is male. Okay, this color is female. So female is doing good business than the male because 49% of the this gender. I don't want to have this gender here. I would like to have a male here or female here. So whatever it is, I don't want to have them here. So to remove this, what I should do? I have to go here and click on this, remove the legend. Now afterwards you need to go and click on this. You will able to get very quickly. Female is 50%, males are 49%. Clear? So which gender is doing more business means a female. Or you can also convert from here to you go. You can also have this kind of a chart, this kind of a chart, whatever you wanted to have, you will be able to have. So lot of things you will be able to understand. Clear? So this data nobody can understand. This is simply a table data. Okay. If you store data in Excel sheet or if you store the data in the SQL server, you cannot understand how the sales is happening. So convert them into lot of visualizations. This is what a business guy wanted to understand, how which region is doing good. So they will say why West is not doing any sales. The target for the next year, the West for is a 10 million. So the target for the South is this much. So why only bikes are doing good? Why not other categories like that? Why it is got stagnated? How can we improve the sales? So all of them decisions people can understand with a fraction of second. Any non-IT people, any BCom guy or 10th class guy, 10th standard guy can also create a report with the help of a Power BI. Now report is available page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, like that. You can also create a couple of pages. If you don't need, delete the page. Now you can also say this is adventure works sales, adventure sales. Now it is adventure something else. It is adventure, some finance or marketing, some whatever be the name of the report that you can give. So you will be able to get lot of pages. So one report will have multiple pages. Each page will have a lot of visualizations. Each visualization tell you whatever you wanted to have. You can give a lot of things, not only one. So you can have category wise, color wise, customer wise, brand wise, location wise, this wise, that wise, whatever you wanted to create. So you can create a beautiful reports, and report means this is what is called report. Now you have to save the report. Okay, go click on save the report, file, save as. When you save as, it is going to be saving. So I wanted to store this report in downloads folder. So I will give, so my first report. Okay, my first report I'm going to be creating. So like that. So it is going to be saving into PBIX file, PBIT file. There are two file formats. I'm going to be using PBIX and save the file. That's it. The file is there. Now we can close it. Now you have created a beautiful report. Now anybody wanted to have this report means you can open and show them. So where is your report saved? You can simply go and click on downloads folder. So my first report, you can just double click on this. You will be able to save this report. The extension will be PBIX file. Clear? let me tell you what is the difference between PBIX and PBIT. PBIX means data, but all visuals are stored. So that is what is good data, and everything will be stored in the PBIX format. So there is one more format called PBIT format. No data saved. Remember, no data saved. Only visuals are saved. When you open it, it is going to be loading the data from the Excel sheet. Clear? So that is the difference between PBIX. So this is the recommended. So what is recommended? Maximum times we are going to be storing our report name. For example, Adventure Works sales report. So dot PBIX. That is how it is going to be stored. PBIX means complete data plus visuals are stored. If you take PBIT, no data is going to be saved as part of the report. Only visuals are stored. So when you open the file, that time all the data again will be loaded. Am I clear? So you can close, you can apply. But remember, if you wanted to show this report to your manager, you are working for, let us say, Adventure Works company. Adventure Works company is not in Hyderabad. It is there in US. Now they have given their data. Now they have recruited me as a Power BI developer. Bhaskar Jogi joined in Adventure Works company. Or I have joined in IBM company. IBM company is my IT company, but IBM company got a project from Adventure Works. What is the client or what is the customer for IBM? IBM customer is Adventure Works company. So Adventure Works company will give you the requirements and everything to IBM. So what IBM will do? IBM will recruit Power BI developers, and IBM company will assign, will tag. I will be recruited in IBM company. Salaries will be paid by IBM company, but work I am doing for Adventure Works company. Now IBM will create a team. So what is a team? Team will be something like this. You have one team lead. Okay, he is having at least 10 years of experience. Clear? So below you have a senior software engineer. You have one more senior software engineer. So people who are having more than 5 to, let us say, some 7 to 8 years of experience. Clear? So below you have joined in the company as a SE. SE means what? Software engineer. You are having at least 3 or 0 to 3 or 0 to 4 years of experience. You are a software engineer. You are going to be joining the company. So like that, a company is going to be recruiting a lot of developers. Clear? So what is the team size? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total team is 6 people in your company. Clear? All the people are working for which client? All the people are working for IBM company, but the project currently you're doing, you're aligned with Adventure Works project. Clear? That is what you have to. So every time you will be joining in Infosys, but Infosys will have various projects: Adventure Works, Amazon, ICICI Bank project, Big Bazaar project, Netflix project, Walmart project. So lot of Walmart projects will be there. Walmart may be giving some projects to Infosys. Some projects of Walmart will be there in Deloitte. Some projects of Walmart will be there in Accenture, IBM. So one company will have various IT projects because these are very, very bigger companies. You never think that only one guy will do. For example, if you construct a road of India, do you think that only one company can do all the roads of India? No, different construction companies will be there. They will be doing. So one, road project of India will be given to multiple vendors, right? So like that, Walmart is not going to give you all the projects to only one company. Walmart will have a lot of, one is a Power BI project, one is a Java project, one is a .NET project, one is Python, one is a data science, one is SAP, one is Android. Like that, different projects are there, different developers are working. So what is the team size? Means you have a team lead, you have a senior software engineer, and you are 3 to 4 years guys, means you're SE, software engineer. What is the team size? This is a team size, 6 people. And above TL, you have AM, assistant manager, and after that you have a M means manager. So this manager, assistant manager, managing this project, and they will have a lot of other projects also. The project lead is this guy, team lead. This is the project lead. So this guy will be talking to the customer. Who's the customer? Adventure Works. So you have a customer point of view. Some people will be joining in the meeting. So always the team lead will be gathering the requirements. He will be asking all of questions, and a team lead will be assigning the tasks to the junior fellows. Only 6 people, and assistant manager are not part of your team. Clear? So your role will be a software engineer or a Power BI developer. But what is your designation? Software engineer, very very low level. And below that you have a trainee. Trainee means completely 0 years. Freshers will be taken into the project as a trainees. So they will be there as a trainees for 3 years. Afterwards they'll become software engineers. After 5 years or 6 years, you will get promoted to SSE, and you are currently reporting to SSE, and you are now reporting to team lead. Team lead will be reporting to assistant manager. Assistant manager is reporting to manager. This is what is a team. So every time the work will be given by team lead. How he is going to be giving the work and everything, we'll discuss later. Normally they will send you mails. So, or they will give you some task assignment in the Excel sheet, and they will say, hey Bhaskar, you need to do on this work. Hey Raghu, you need to do on this work. So you have to always talk to this guy, or you can talk to this guy if you have any clarifications and everything. Remember, so this is what is the important thing that you have to know, guys. Am I clear? So now I have created a report. I have saved it. Now you can just save this, saved. And tomorrow I am going to be deploying, because this report is only with me. Okay, this report only with me. This report has to go to Adventure Works team, because the company management wanted to see, but where I am available in India, Hyderabad. I cannot send it to all the Adventure Works people in an attachment of email. So that is completely nonsense. So what I do, I take the report. This is my Power BI report, PBIX file. I have it. I have to deploy or share. So as I told you, you have a video in your mobile phone. This file is available where? In my laptop. In my laptop I have created. Now if you take a video, the video is available in your phone. But if you wanted to show the video to all entire world, means make it to cloud. Cloud means online. Normally we have to go to YouTube. We will be able to make it to cloud. So you have to deploy to the cloud. That is what is called Power BI cloud service. This is a server. Okay, what is a cloud? Tomorrow we'll discuss and we will understand. So this is a server, just like YouTube. Just like YouTube will maintain all the audio files and video files. Reports are going to be maintained where? PBI cloud service. This is belongs to Azure. Azure means Microsoft cloud platform. Cloud means online. YouTube is also cloud platform. OTT cloud platform. Websites cloud platform. Cloud means online. So tomorrow we'll understand what is a cloud and everything. So Power BI cloud service is one more computer or one more machine which is there online. All the reports I'm going to be deploying tomorrow, so that anybody can go to this machine. How do you go to cloud? You need to have a URL. How do you go to Netflix? Go to netflix.com, or you need to download Netflix app. So either app you connect, or you can www.netflix.com, like that. This user will be connecting in your laptop this URL. What is the URL and how to connect, how to deploy, everything we'll see tomorrow. So that you create a deploy, you create a deploy, you create a deploy, create a deploy. All the reports are going to be there in the cloud platform, or you can say OTT platform. So you will be maintaining all the reports are going to be coming here. So OTT platform is not free. You have to pay the amount. right? So every month you need to, if you wanted to watch videos, means it is not a free. YouTube is a free, but OTT is not free. Azure is also not free. Every month one user has to make $10, 10 USD per month. One user, $10 means approximately 820 INR per month per user. You need to make it. So if you wanted to use this service, you have to have one user ID. Every month you need to make 820 rupees, or first 2 months it will be free. So people will give you free first 2 months. Later on, every month you need to pay 820 rupees if you wanted to store your reports, or this users wanted to see the reports, means this user. So this user AdventureWorks manager, this guy has to have the licenses. That is how Microsoft is going to be getting the lot of revenue from the AdventureWorks. Otherwise, first 2 months they'll see, but large amount of reports or data they cannot see it free for entire their lifetime. So they need to make amount. One user 820 rupees per month Indian currency. One user $10 per month they need to make, so that all the reports they can see worldwide. So tomorrow I resign from the company, I go. So if I upload a video tomorrow, I lost my phone. Is there any problem? No. The video is available in YouTube. Tomorrow I die. I am not there in the world itself. I lost my phone. No problem. All the videos you have uploaded, then you met with an accident. Nothing is there. In your phone is not there. You are not there. But your videos are there. So tomorrow, even though you resign and you go and you format this, you will give the laptop and come out of the company. So all the reports are available in the cloud machine, means online machine, so that entire world can see, but they need to have user ID and passwords so that they can see the data. So tomorrow I'll talk about deployment. That is what is the, so create a report and how to save the report I have discussed. And tomorrow I'll talk about deploy. So how to deploy the report. Now you deploy it. So don't worry about, I have shown you a lot of things today, because first time you're seeing, right? Don't worry about all these things, because all these things will be doing next 2 months. You will with me, 2 to 3 months you will be with me. You will be learning all of them one by one, one by one, one by one. This is a trial. Okay. Just a trial. You need to understand. Clear guys? Only 1 minute, 1 hour trial. Just enjoy this, how to create. Don't worry about any of them. So tomorrow we'll continue further. Thank you, Nana. So any questions, if you have it, you will be able to ask me now.